Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create unlimited Telegram accounts without phone number. Well, this is just a very easy tutorial, and if you're planning to create multiple accounts on Telegram, this is what you're going to do. First, you need to go to your Google Play Store and kindly type anything related to temporary phone number. Let's just say you can type temporary phone number or free phone number, temporary phone number for Telegram, something like that. And then there will be lots of or tons of applications that will appear here. So as you can see, we have here temporary number, temporary or free phone number, temporary phone number for Telegram. All you have to do is to pick or select at least one application that you can use for your Telegram account. So let's just say I'm going to pick this one or select this one. You need to install this, and then you need to copy paste the number once you install this on your, or once you open this application on your phone. Just copy the number and paste. Now, if you don't want to install any application, you can just go directly to Google web browser, type Google, or you can just simply type directly temporary phone number, free phone number, temporary phone number for Telegram, something like that. Those are the keywords. Okay. And then once you're done, you can see also tons of sites that offer temporary phone number. So we have here this one, this one, this one. So you just have to pick at least one site for that. Now, what are you going to do is that you're going to select a country and a phone number. So let's just say you want to use a temporary phone number from United States. So you just have to click that number, and as you can see, they already offer also a code that is for later. I mean, you're going to use that code later. So just click the number, copy, and then go to your Telegram account, paste it right there. As you can see, these are examples of code, but we can't use this one because we're not using Scout, we're not using this application, we are using Telegram. So all you have to do is to go to your Telegram again, select the country and paste the number here. Now, if you're going to tap this blue arrow, you can proceed, and also you can type or enter the code. So you just have to go back on that site and then copy the code and paste it right here. And then after that, you can freely create or you have created your Telegram already. Now, if you want to create multiple accounts on Telegram, you just have to do the same. Click these lines here and then click add account. And you can create unlimited Telegram accounts without using your phone number. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.